Welcome back to the CR Auto channel, everyone. Today we're diving into the stunning new 2026 Porsche 718 Spyder, a car that perfectly blends timeless Porsche design with the thrill of pure open-top performance. The 718 Spyder is more than just a sports car. It's an experience crafted for those who crave connection between driver, machine, and road. Let's explore what makes this model truly special. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Porsche 718 Spyder carries a sleek and athletic silhouette that instantly grabs attention. Its design is aerodynamically tuned, with every curve serving a purpose. The sculpted front end features sharper LED matrix headlights and a redesigned air intake system that enhances cooling efficiency and gives the car a bolder look. The signature Spyder rear deck with twin streamliners adds a distinctive classic touch, while the lightweight soft-top roof can be operated manually in seconds, maintaining the car's purest spirit. Porsche has refined the body lines for better airflow and reduced drag, and the new 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires complete its powerful stance. Now let's talk about performance, the heart of any Porsche. The 2026 718 Spyder comes equipped with a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine that produces an incredible 414 horsepower and 420 newton-meters of torque. It rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds and can reach a top speed of around 305 kilometers per hour. The engine's high-revving nature and distinctive exhaust note create an exhilarating driving sensation that's hard to match. Porsche has also fine-tuned the chassis for sharper cornering, featuring adaptive suspension, torque vectoring, and ceramic composite brakes for maximum control. Whether you're cruising along the coast or pushing through tight bends, the Spyder delivers unmatched balance and precision. Inside, the cabin is all about simplicity and focus on the driver. The 2026 Spyder features premium leather and all-contra finishes with lightweight bucket seats that keep you firmly planted during spirited driving. The steering wheel is perfectly sized and free from unnecessary buttons, emphasizing pure driving connection. A high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation, but Porsche keeps distractions minimal to retain the classic sports car vibe. You'll also find brushed aluminum details, optional carbon fiber trim, and a sporty digital analog instrument cluster that keeps performance data front and center. AS for the price. The 2026 Porsche 718 Spyder starts around $115,000, depending on optional packages and customizations. It's not cheap, but for enthusiasts seeking a raw, pure, and emotional driving experience, it's worth every dollar. Porsche has once again proven that passion, precision, and performance can coexist in perfect harmony. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2026 Porsche 718 Spyder, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car content. See you in the next video.